With pregnancy on the rise today and contraceptives getting more and more expensive, I'm going to be showing you a cheap and safe alternative. I present you the membrane keyboard. So in front of me today I have a BenQ i100P. Don't know what the P stands for, but it obviously means pregnancy, and we're going to be trying to prevent that today. There's a lot of talk in the PC community about keyboards. Mechanical or membrane? What's best for gaming? Well, obviously mechanical. But can a membrane keyboard hold up to the test that any other mechanical keyboard would? We're going to be testing that today. This is the membrane keyboard durability test ish thing. So in front of me we have this BenQ membrane keyboard here. There's a shake to it. Nice rattle. Don't know if you can hear that or not. It's probably not the most optimum sound to be hearing while gaming or transporting a keyboard in general or shaking a keyboard in general. But this makes for a great alternative to toddler birthday presents and Christmas presents because they can just all day make music. It's awesome. Yeah, the keys wobble. I've never seen keyboard keys actually wobble before. I haven't even started beating it up yet. Advantage 2 to having a membrane keyboard. They're quiet whenever you click on them, because there's a membrane dome in it that actuates rather than a post or a nubbing inside of a post. You have to bottom out every key in order for it to actually register. They're cheap. You can get one of these for like 10-15 bucks. You could probably find 3 or 4 of them in your closet. I mean, it's not even USB, it uses a PS2 port. They're quick and responsive because it uses a PS2 port. They're easy to take apart. You could just use a normal keycap puller, take keycaps off, and use them as projectiles for anybody who enters your room unannounced. What was that? Okay, so now to begin the test, we're going to be doing a simulation on Rage. First test, standard use. It's still intact. Pass. Test number 2. Rage test. Pass. Test number 3. We're going to see if it's resilient to being submerged underwater. Pass. Test number 4. We're going to be simulating what it would be like to throw your keyboard into a pool. Okay, so the submersion test proved to be a little bit too much for our keyboard, and it's now shorted out. But we have one more test lined up here. It's going to be the Shadow Rage Simulator. Okay guys, the Shadow Rage Simulator, it's a leaf. The Shadow Rage Simulator seemed to be not enough of a gauntlet as I was hoping it would be. I mean, the keyboard is still, I mean, it's not bowed out or anything. There's no real cracks. I mean, it's just covered in dirt and sticks, leaves. So in conclusion, is a membrane keyboard a good idea to get? Honestly, it might be. If you get yourself a nice BenQ mechanical keyboard, at least you know it's good for hydrochloric bombs, Rage, and everything but water, really. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I sure enjoyed making the video. If you want to see more satirical videos like this on Tech Dungeon, make sure you subscribe. If you like the satire, make sure you leave a like. If you wanted an educational video, leave a dislike. And if you want to see more videos like this, make sure you tell us, and we'll do a little bit more satirical videos. Yeah, I hope you enjoy your April Fools. It was nice making a video that actually showed some sort of result that I wasn't expecting. So yeah guys, later.